Hi everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up SMTP using Gmail on Fynlo. We'll cover generating a Gmail app password and using it in your SMTP settings. There's no rush. Feel free to pause the video anytime to follow along. Step 1. Ensure app passwords are available. Start by logging into your Google account. Go to your account's security settings and find two-step verification under Signing into Google. If it's not enabled, turn it on. App passwords require this. Step 2. Visit myaccount.google.com/apppasswords to create a new app password. Select the app and device, click Generate, and copy the 16-character password. Use this for your SMTP settings. Step 3. Let's set up the SMTP settings in Fynlo. 1. Open your SMTP settings page. 2. Enter the details carefully. SMTP. Host smtp.gmail.com. Port 465. Encryption SSL. 3. For login credentials. Username, your full Gmail email address. Password, paste the app. Password you just generated. 4. Set the from name to what recipients will see, like your business or personal name. Once everything is filled in, save the settings. Step 4. Test the SMTP setup. After saving, send a test email. Check your inbox and spam folder just in case. If the email arrives, your SMTP setup is working. Common checks. If the email doesn't send, please double-check. Use the app password, not your regular Gmail password. Confirm the port is 465 and encryption is set to SSL. Ensure your network allows outgoing SMTP traffic on port 465. And that's it. You've successfully set up Gmail SMTP with an app password. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.